the Prophet ﷺ told us about the numbers of rak'ahs to pray at night. We have many different narrations that talk about the number of rak'ahs. Abdullah ibn Umar radiallahu anhu tells us that the Prophet ﷺ would pray 11 rak'ahs. So that's 8 plus 3, which is the 8 rak'ahs of tahajjud plus 3 of witr, 8 being 2, 2, 2, 2. Now, mind you, the prayer of the Prophet ﷺ was not the prayer of your regular Ahmad or Tala. It was a prayer that was long and extended. So we don't need to hold ourselves to 8 rak'ahs. What we need to think about is the time at night that we want to pray. Think about, I'm going to do 2 rak'ahs. I'm going to start with 2. Then I'm going to do 4. And then I'm going to do 6. And then I'm going to do 8. Now maybe I'm doing 8. Maybe now I want to expand each of these rak'ahs and make each one longer.